Hello everyone, today we will learn this German phrase, Ich hätte gern, or Ich hätte gerne. It means I would like. It is used to express politeness in German. It is in subjunctive or Konjunktiv 2 form of haben. For example, Ich hätte gern einen großen Kaffee bitte. I would like a large coffee, please. Here is another example. Ich hätte gern mehr Freizeit. I would like to have more free time. Ich hätte gern mehr Freizeit. Alright, it's your turn. Create your own examples for this phrase right in the comments section. Thank you until next time.